Hi everyone, thanks for clicking. I am Tate Shafori. Welcome to your home channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, give us a thumbs up and share this video. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the problems that are affecting our society. So there are so many societal problems out there that are affecting members of our society. And learners acquire skills and knowledge at school, but they do not practice them at home to solve the problems, because a good curriculum is the one that solves or addresses the problems of the society. So that is a good curriculum. So as teachers, we must contextualize by using local examples so that everybody can appreciate the uses of mathematics. All right? Today, what I want us to look at is the problem of subscribing to any Aware package. So Aware packages, we know them. There's Super Aware, there is Aware Geek. Okay, let's say maybe a senior citizen or anybody wants to subscribe to Super Aware. So in most of the times, or in most cases, you find that we just make a mere guess. We do not know how much we should buy, because there is that VAT. Because if you buy $50 airtime, it does not mean that that $50 will reflect into your account, but then some calculations are made and then the VAT gets deducted, and then you don't know how much will be left in your account. So if you have mathematics skills, you can solve this problem. And I'm here to help you so that you will not waste resources, because remember, resources are scarce and they are limited, so we need to use them wisely. So if you know the VAT, then you can calculate how much you should buy, including the VAT, so that you have the amount that you need to subscribe to the package that you want to subscribe to. For instance, let's say you want to subscribe to Super Aware. The subscription fee for Super Aware is $53 million. The VAT in Namibia, or the VAT that is charged on Tango vouchers, is 13%, and that was officially implemented to customers. So I can remember that was 2008 when the 13%, the VAT, was officially implemented to customers, and people were saying, no, maybe just drought relief. So it wasn't drought relief, guys, it's VAT, value added tax. That's what VAT stands for. And if you know the VAT, or if you want to maybe know how much in percentage form is VAT, you can just maybe buy any recharge voucher. For example, the $5 airtime recharge. So if you recharge a $5 airtime, 0.65 goes off. Everybody knows that one. So meaning if you just take 0.65 over 5 and then you multiply it for 100%, because percentages are out of 100, then you get 13%. Okay, while we are there, I would like to show you how percentages are calculated. Percentage means per 100. So learners get confused, or let me say, at first they enjoy. If you just ask them, what is percent? And they say, percentage means per 100. Right, what does per 100 mean? Nobody answers, because they do not know what per 100 means. Okay, let me show you, or let me teach you what percent or per 100 means. Let's say you have $3 million, right? That's your salary. That's what you get per month. And then your boss just told you that your salary will be decreased with 5%. How much will be your salary? How much will be getting if your salary has been reduced with 5%? 5%. 5 per 100. How many hundreds are there in 300? Look at this. This is 100, another 100, another 100. 1, 2, 3. If your boss is to reduce 5% of your salary, that means in this 300s, 100, another 100, another 100, this 100 minus 5, this 100 minus 5, and this other 100 minus 5. So that means your new salary will be 300 minus 15. So if you just ask Elena to calculate 5% times 300, if that learner knows or understands what per 100 means, then this 15 can just be got in within 2 seconds, because Elena knows or understands what percent means. Percent means per 100, and that learner must know what per 100 means. All right, now you know how to calculate VAT. So for you to calculate VAT, is this the amount that you want to buy? You multiply it with 13%, 13 over 100, and then you get how much will be deducted from the voucher that you're going to buy. And in addition to VAT, value added tax, that's in percentage form, you must also know the usage of algebra. Remember, if you haven't watched my videos on algebra or how to solve linear equations and stuff, please make sure that you check out the links in the description below this video and make sure that you understand them. What you need is percentage skills, how to calculate percentage, and how to solve a linear equations, or let me just say percentage reversal. Alright guys, you know that whatever you're going to buy will be deducted with 13% as VAT. So let us just deduct 13% right away from the 100%. Okay, 100 minus 13, you get 7%. Okay, the amount that we are going to get is just the amount that we want after the VAT has been deducted. Okay, let us do that. 87 over 100 times x is equal to 53. Okay, let's just round out up. Let's say we want to have 54 into our account. All right, let me just explain this one. This 87 is a result or a difference of 100 and 13. So 100 minus 13, that is 87, and percentages are out of 100. 87 over 100. This x represents the unknown number, because we do not know how much we are going to buy, and that's what we are finding out. That's the main problem. We do not know how much we should buy for us to have 54 airtime into our account. Okay, and this 54, remember, let's say you want to subscribe to Super Hour. The subscription fee for Super Hour is 53, so just make it 54, because I do not want you to experience the same thing I experienced when I called the MTC, because I did my calculations very, very, very well, because I had 1.73 Namibian dollars into my account, and then I did my calculations very, very well, and then when I recharged after all the transactions, so to my surprise, I was only having 52.97 in my account. So, and I was very angry, so I called the MTC to find out where the 3 cents went, and then they asked me lots of questions, and then they said, no, but you were supposed to have 53 on the dot. And then that's when I was insisting, no, where is my 3 cents? I want my 3 cents back. No, here it's not showing the 3 cents went, but you were supposed to have 53. Then I was very angry. So I spent maybe 30 minutes on that call, just trying to find out where the 3 cents went. And the other official suggested maybe I dealt some numbers maybe that took my 3 cents, and then we were like having a heated argument there because I know I did my calculations very well. So, and I was supposed to have 53 on the dot. The next day I called them to find out again. They could not provide me with the information where my 3 cents went. So up to today, so I'm just like that. So that's why I'm advising you guys, if you want to subscribe to Super Away, and the subscription fee is 53, so just put 54 there, just add up $1 there. It's not a problem, just to make sure that you are on the safer side. This is our equation, or let me say this is just a percentage reversal in mathematics. Okay, now this side we have 87 and we have 100 that need to be removed from this side of x. Let's move 100 first, but look at the sign between x and 100. X is multiplying what? This numerator here. Look at the sign between the numerator and our denominator is what? It's division. The opposite of division is what? Is multiplication. So meaning we have to multiply both sides by what? By 100. That one is a song now. Times 100 times 100. Okay, this one cancels out, and then we have 87x is equal to 5400. Okay, this side we have 87 now. Look at the sign between 87 and x. The sign between 87 and x is multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is what? Is division. So meaning we have to divide both sides by 87. Divided by 87 divided by 87. Let's do it on our calculator. 5400 divided by 87. The answer is $62 Namibian. Alright, 0.07. So just make it $62 Namibian. It's okay. Okay, let's say you buy $62 Namibian a time, and then let us multiply to 13%, and then you see how much you pay as VAT, and then if you just subtract that one from 62, you see how much you will have in your account. Okay, 62 times 13 over 100, you get 8.06. That's your VAT. Okay, now let's just subtract it from 62 and see how much you have in your account. 62 minus 8.06, you have 53.94. This amount is just enough for you to subscribe to Super Away. Very good. And you will have 0.94 left in your account. Guys, let me just simplify things for you. Let me say you have already $7 airtimes in your account. And how much will you need? How much will you need to buy for you to have 54 airtime in your account? Alright, just do your math. 54 minus 7, you'll get what? 47. So meaning you need 47, because 47 plus 7 is what? Is 54. So meaning you need 47. So how much are you going to buy so that you can have 54 into your account? Right? So meaning when you are going to do your calculations, you must write 47 instead of 54. You substitute in that equation, the one that I demonstrated. So 87 over 100 times x is equal to 47. Let me give you the simplest formula for you to get what you must buy for you to have a certain amount in your account. If you want to have 54 in your account after all the deductions, just divide that 54 by 0.87 and you get how much you must buy as airtime. Just don't forget to round it up, guys. Okay, so if you want to have 61 in your account, just divide 61 by 0.87. Just round it up, guys. Okay, if you want to have 32 in your account after the VAT has been deducted, just divide it by what? 0.87. Okay. All right, we have come to the end of our lesson for today. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first one to view it. You'll be notified. And please, guys, stay safe. Let's adhere to COVID-19 protocols. I'll see you again.